Hello, my name is Paul Kocheril and I'm your expert for cable management for the railway market in the EMEA region. At Element Titan, we support you whenever you need to connect, to fasten, to route, to identify and to protect your cables. When I started to work at Element Titan 15 years ago, the focus was definitely on lowering component prices. Today, it's more about global cost and ecological aspect of production. So trains are already the most ecological way of transport, and we at Element Titan are very happy to help engineers who wish to make the production of their train most reliable, efficient and safe. My favorite part of the job is to work closely with my customers. I really enjoy walking down their production plant and to find out what could be the best solution for their problematic. It could be a custom part development, or it could be a product from the catalog. That really depends. But nothing beats listening and observing on the ground. The Element Titan team on track is a group of dedicated experts in cable management. We are here to support you locally around the global sustainable mobility challenges of tomorrow. Please contact us in order to benefit from our expertise in cable management. We'll be happy to keep your project right on track.